In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GTIN in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put your product's GTIN so it shows up correctly across your store and sales channels. A GTIN, or Global Trade Item Number, is the standardized product identifier used worldwide. Depending on your region, you might know it as a UPC, EAN, or ISBN. Adding it helps with marketplace listings, search visibility, barcode scanning, and keeping your catalog clean and trustworthy. First, open the Shopify website and sign into your admin. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and select Products. This takes you to your product list, where you can find the item you want to update. Click the specific product you want to edit. If your store has a lot of items, you can use the search bar at the top to find it faster by name or SKU. That doesn't change anything about the process, it just saves time. Inside the product editor, scroll until you find the inventory section. Here, you'll see the SKU field, which is your internal stock keeping identifier, and just below or near it, you'll find the field for the barcode or GTIN. Shopify often labels this as barcode, with a note that it can be UPC, EAN, ISBN, or GTIN. That's exactly where you'll enter your number. Type your GTIN carefully, using only digits and no spaces or extra characters. Make sure it matches the number printed on your product or packaging. Common lengths are 8, 12, 13, or 14 digits, depending on the type. If something looks off, it's worth double-checking before you save. Accurate GTINs help prevent listing errors on channels like Google and can reduce product mismatches. If your product information includes both SKU and GTIN, remember, they serve different purposes. The SKU is for your internal tracking and can be any format you choose, while the GTIN is a standardized identifier used externally. Don't replace one with the other. Use both where appropriate. When the GTIN is entered, click Save. You'll see the Save button at the top right of the page. Give it a moment to process. After saving, it's a good idea to scroll back down and confirm the number is still there and correctly formatted. If you use sales channels like Google or Facebook, this update can help your products sync more reliably. That's it. Open Shopify, go to Products, choose your product, enter the GTIN in the inventory section, and save. With that done, your product data will be more complete, discoverable, and ready for accurate listings.